contemporary garden in Taichung is a historically and culturally significant site that reflects the lifestyle of noble families during the Qing dynasties in the early Republic of China. Built in the late 19th century, the garden was the residence of the wealthy Ming family. The design blends traditional Chinese garden aesthetic with Western exterior elements, featuring space like a manhole, party rooms, and tea rooms that highlight the daily life of the family. Not only a residential and social space, but also a center for Confucian education and family rituals, such as ancestral worship and scholarly gatherings. It includes scenic features like rockeries and ponds, providing space for leisure activity like fishing, flower appreciation, and poetry writing. The garden design combines both beauty and sophistication, reflecting the social status and cultural values of the time. Today, the Ming family garden preserves valuable historical and cultural heritage, offering insight into the life of an aristocratic family in the Qing dynasty and early Republican periods in remaining an important cultural landmark in Taichung.